Alright guys, I have installed the rear view mirror, and you can see the wire going down. This is just a loose install just to test everything. I've placed the wire on the floor and beside those seats, going in the back trunk, and you can also see that I have installed the camera. The camera has been installed, as you can see right there. So it's all matter of connecting the wires now and testing it out. But what happened is, when I was doing that, see these buggers, these black and orange and black wire, these guys, this connector was bare and it touched something and it shorted, made a little arc, and now I can't open, I can't open the trunk hatch, or my interior lights, dome light is gone. So I believe it's one of these fuses here that needs to be changed. I have to check which one it is and change that, or now put a new wire on it and put them back back in the slot. So yeah, so you guys can see I am almost there, but just because of the fuse I got stopped. But it's coming, and maybe tonight or tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to the hospital now, so I won't be able to do it today, but probably tomorrow I'll finish it off and test it all out.